And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you a simple walk-by transition. You can do that with any moving object. You want to have this moving on top and then a clip that should be seen below. You could use, for example, a car, but then we have a problem that we only have a small area in the frame. So when you want to do it with the car, make sure that the car fills the entire frame when it moves by. So it's better in this case to use a walking person, because then the entire frame is filled. But with a walking person we have the problem that it's not a straight line all the time, because the knee is bent right here and it gives you triangles. There's no way to get around that in CapCut. So if you want to have perfect results, you will need something like Premiere Pro. But to show you the basic effect in CapCut, we'll use a mask for the top clip, horizontal, move it outside of the frame. Then create a keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon. Use the arrow keys forward. You can use the arrow key to the right, like 3 or 4 times, and then reposition this mask. This will create automatic keyframes. As it's a fast movement, we don't have to be perfect. And again, if you want to have perfect results, you will have to use something like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro. In CapCut, you can only do it like this, at least currently. Let me play it. And now this person walks by and this blends in the new clip. So this is as good as you can do it in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.